mate, why has your car got pink eye? You've been leaning up against the bonnet with your bum.
Ew.
No way, that's never that guy that can't parallel park, is it? I really hope it is. Go on, watch this guy park. I see he's given up on the parallel method since I last seen him. And once again, not on double yellows this time, even though it's perfectly legal with a disabled badge that everyone was crying about in the comments. That my parallel park didn't count because it was on double yellows. Is that one any better? And he's still trying to park.
There's a fix up. Now, work on preserving it will take place after the rebuild.
Are you crazy?
You're fucking
You are fucking.
You fucking you bloody
You bloody-
fuck you bloody bastard bitch
You
fuck you
bastard,
fuck
you.
you bloody fuck you bloody.
Gabby, I'm just proper kicking off at someone.
It's made out of lead actually, so yeah, it's not.
I thought he was kicking off at me.
Oh, that looks.
What, the fella behind?
Yeah, he's arguing with someone on his phone.
You are fucking.
You fucking you bloody bastard bitch.
But they're too nice. Alright, mate. He's very legend. Oh shit. Oh. What the fuck was that? He just reacted.
I'm not expecting that.
What is she? Are they on summer?
Why'd you walk a baby down there?
Have we only just noticed the pedestrian path?
Are you trying to get run over or something?
Damon,
Not in front of a car driver on the wrong side, so. Jesus Christ.
You bonnet
Oh,
for now.
Are you casting the
Video
road or what? Are you
protected.
playing with your phone?
Turn right on
Well, what are you fucking doing?
A3024.
What the fuck is it with Priuses and not having a clue where the fuck they're going?
We're offering them that last night. Unfortunately, we've not heard yet.
Ah, I could see that happening.
It's Superwoman. She's a real. She bought in her
Excuse me?
40s. Wow. She's had 2 kids who are now teenagers.
Pre-collision assist? What?
She could.
What was I gonna hit?
She's a real.
John C.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.
Obviously felt like I don't even know what it's called yet for me. What is this guy doing? What the fuck?
Thank you for that.
The driving is actually very like sensible for me.
Jesus Christ, how could we not fucking see it?
Ooh, how did he not hit that?
Tommy said, Ashley.
Cheers for that, lad. You are welcome. Didn't really have much choice there, did I?
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
There's a red light.
Oh!
It was a red light. Did you not see the red light?
No.
It's green.
No.
I'll go first time, buddy. I'm walking further now. Off you go.
Got to Dorset Street.
Cancel navigation.
Stopping navigation.
What the fuck was that?
Normally, but not today. Oh. You're supposed to go in that lane, you didn't try.
Not bad.
So when that happens, we like to give you the opportunity to give your winner's speech, if you will. So take it away.
Oh, well, I would like to thank myself.
It's always a fucking joke, It's not something that I just genuinely made up off the top of my head one day. Genuinely, people who drive Nissan Jukes or Qashqais are such terrible, terrible drivers. It's genuinely, it's the thing. It genuinely is. What's this guy doing? Come on, buddy. It's one of them days.
Video protected.
God, this isn't the time for that.